Hi guys, I'm at my daughter's house. My daughter and my wife are off to watch James Bond, and I'm going to sit here quietly and do some wooden puzzles. Not sure which one to do. I might do this one. So, you have the pleasure of my company for the next couple of hours. I hope this one doesn't take a couple of hours. About half an hour, I would hope. Cost me 99 pence. That label comes from St. Peter's Hospice. This is a proper Woodcraft construction kit from Key Imports. I say proper because they're one of the recognised producers, and they even have a website you can go to that will give you a step-by-step construction guide, which there you are, www.key.info/instruction, and you can usually find, not always funnily enough, but usually find the right one. And it actually shows you each individual piece coming off the boards and where to stick them. So you don't need to watch my video at all. My video is just me doing it, the same as anybody else, following the instructions. If you want to do it really nicely, you'd carefully sand everything down and paint them or colour them in. Still, we'll go for it. I need to change the angle of the camera a bit, don't I? Can we tilt that over a little bit more? I'll try and remember to keep it on screen. Okay, usual thing, you look for number 1 and find where number 1 matches. Number 1 is right in the middle there, just there. And where's the next number 1? And there's the next number 1 there. And the other bit of advice I give is, if you can't work out which way up it goes, it's the nice smooth side rather than the rough side, is usually either up or forwards, depending on which way the piece is supposed to be facing. Up, forwards, or on the outside if you've got 2 pieces side by side. Oh, I'll do a fast forward version of this as well, so depending on which one you're watching, either you can't hear me because I'm playing music or something and fast forwarding it, or you can hear me because you're watching the slow version. Right, again, smooth side, outside. Okay. It's got to be that piece next, yeah. Well, that's it, finished guys. That only took 22 minutes. But I can't let go of it because it tips over. What a shame. I could put some weight on it over here somewhere and that would hold it in place. What I will do is I'll go around it with a bit of glue just to finish it off, because what I usually do with this sort of thing is I write Grandad is an old man on it somewhere and go and leave it for somebody to find as leave behind art. Sometimes I paint them, sometimes I leave them exactly as they are. But that's it. Job done. I need to keep my finger on it. Just trying to get the light on it right. Yeah, light's in the wrong position. That'll do. Job's done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.